So that is communications technology. Okay. And yes, scientific programs, and so scientific programs should be done, so from developed countries they should come to these nations and they should have scientific programs. Okay. So scientific programs. Okay. Then information and communications. Okay. So if this is all done, yes, and there must be also good teachers. So yes, qualified teachers. So qualified teachers. Okay. And there must be a cooperation for teachers training. So there must be a good teachers training program for developing countries. So because teachers are the main, they are the main warriors. Okay. So if they are good and they are well trained, then only they will be able to educate the entire community. So this is very important. Let's come to the next goal, that is goal 5. Okay. So let me rub this. Yes. So we'll go with goal gender. So gender equality. Okay. So what is gender equality? It means end of all discrimination. Okay. Against all women and girls everywhere. Okay. So then, so how we can do is all sorts of violence should be eliminated. So eliminate violence. Okay. Then harmful practices. Okay. So that is basically child marriage, abolishing. Okay. And killing female child. So that also should be stopped. Okay. So domestic work, unpaid care, so social protection should be given. They should be given infrastructure. They should get given a lot of encouragement. And right now in India we have started this women empowerment. Okay. So domestic work and unpaid care should be removed, and all this harmful practices such as eliminating violence and child marriage and abolishing the killing of female, childbirth at the time of childbirth should also be reduced completely, in fact banned. So we must see that there must be a full and effective protection and participation, and they must have equal opportunities. So women should be the leaders and they should have leadership. So it should be equal in all the departments. So they must also be able to participate in the levels of decision making in political, then economic and public life. Okay. So you have to see that they have this reproductive health and reproductive rights, so that all the childs have the same rights given, all, not only men, in even women, they should have equal participation. Okay.